Tēnā koutou e hoa mā. Today's video is going to be covering similarities between my people and the Maori people. As some of you might know, I've been learning Te Reo Maori for just over 6 months, and of course it's overwhelming how much similarities I've found between Arab Muslims and the Maori people. In this video, I've only focused on 3 different points. Perhaps I'll make a part 2 in the near future. If you have any comments or corrections, please feel free to comment on this video. Everyone in New Zealand is accustomed to the hongi, the unique and very sacred Maori physical embrace wherein the two sides become one. The hongi is the traditional greeting of nose pressing, and it is the exchange of the breath of life. Some Arab cultures nose rub, and it has been passed down from generation to generation. It is a unique way of greeting, showing friendship and deep respect. Those who have the knowledge of the ancient beliefs of tupuna Maori will understand the Io theory, which describes Io as the god of all humans. He is the creator of the heavens, Ranginui, and the universe, Papatuanuku.
As Maori, we always believe the gift of life came from a higher source, and we call him Io Matua Kore. You may call him God, I don't know. However, Io Matua Kore simply means the creator of this universe who was parentless.
There are major similarities between the Io theory of Maori and Islam's Allah, which means God in Arabic. In Islam, Allah has 99 names. Likewise, the Maori Io also has variations to his name. And the surprising thing is that they coincide perfectly with the translation in Arabic. Some examples are Io Nui, the Great, Al-Azim; Io Matangaro, the Supreme Being, Al-Wahid Al-Ahad; Io Wananga, Al-Alim; Io Te Waiora, Al-Shafi. Another similarity I have found between the Arabs and Maori is the emphasis on whakapapa, which in Arabic is nasab. Arabs in general, and Muslims in particular, place high value in understanding where one comes from and what the lineage is. The genealogy is preserved, and if played right, one can trace that all the way back to Adam, peace be upon him. Maori also place emphasis on whakapapa.
Whakapapa is all about having a sense of identity, knowing who you are, knowing your beginnings, where you're from.
Whakapapa is important to me because it shows me and tells me a lot of where I come from and a lot about who I am as a person and where I will be going.
Exposure, you can offer the child to his or her identity, the better prospect the child has of retaining all that very important genealogical knowledge and understanding.